I'll be discussing my experience shooting the 500 Magnum and what techniques worked for me, what it's like to shoot it, and if anything hurt after I shot it, and how many rounds I shot. I feel with proper technique, anybody can shoot this gun. Don't be scared of it. I would say first and foremost, you shouldn't be scared of the gun. Because if you're scared of the gun, you're not gonna be shooting it properly, and you just gotta be confident. And hopefully this video will help first time shooters. To be safe, you should load just one round on your first shot, just in case something happens, so you can get used to the recoil and see if you can handle it or not. So I just loaded one round, and you want to grip the gun firmly and lean into the gun. You want to lean forward, and I just let the gun recoil. You don't want to fight the recoil, because that'll come in, it'll hit your hand harder, and I think it'll hurt more if you try and hold the gun like stiffly. So I just grip it firmly, but I just let it go. When I pull the trigger, I just let the recoil. See how my hand, it just goes up, and don't fight it. Just let the recoil kick the gun back. And for my stance, I kept my feet right about in this position. And I shot 20 rounds or one box in one day, and my hand didn't hurt at all. And the only thing that hurt was my trigger finger from the recoil, but my hand did not hurt one bit. And again, you can see how I'm holding the gun firmly and just letting the recoil kick the gun back, and that seemed to work really well. And the following day, I shot at an outdoor range another 20 rounds, and I would say about by the 30th round I started to feel it a little bit in the palm of my hand, and again in my trigger finger. But in one weekend I shot 40 rounds, and it wasn't too bad. So if you're thinking about shooting the 500, I would say go for it. With the proper technique, you'll be fine. And I have no formal training, but I've been shooting guns all my life, and this is what worked for me. So after about the 30th round, right around here on the palm, got a little sore. It's still, a little tender, and the trigger finger, your trigger finger gets a little sore, and it got a little bruised from the recoil. You wouldn't think the trigger finger, but yeah, for some reason, I guess from the recoil and it hitting the trigger guard, it got a little bruise right around here.